G'day everyone, welcome back. Today I have taken the gamble and bought myself an Adventure Kings 2x3 metre awning. Thought I'd do that because I'm not going to use that much and I will take it off when I'm not doing day trips. But just thought I'd do a quick video on how to install and see how it goes. I'm going to put it on the roof racks or the crossbar racks of my Ranger. So hopefully it doesn't take too long and I'll update you on the way. So here's the pack, unbox it, 2x3 metre awning and the mounting bracket kit. I'll just crack open that. The mounting bracket kit, so bolts and mounting plate. Two different sizes there, one to mount to the mounting plate and the short ones I believe mount to the awning, and there's the L. And then the awning itself, so I'll get my knife, cut it open. Okay, so it's out of the box now. We'll get ahead and install. It was pretty good, reasonable packaging. I picked it up. I will say though, I'm not going to keep this on the car permanently, so I'll put them on with these brackets for now, and I'm looking at a quick release bracket that I can use down the track. Okay, so first steps, I'll put the bolts for the mounting plate and then I will put them on here. I'll put the L bracket into that and tighten that up eventually, but just wanted to show you what that looks like. Done them on the back one and the front one there. Use the long nuts, or the long bolts for this I should say. The short ones go in the back of the awning. Okay, slight change of plans. The brackets from four-wheel drive super center will work. However, I had to get different nuts for it. So what I've done is I've gone and got myself a set of roller drop and turn nuts, bolts, these ones here, and they will sit in the track of my crossbars and I will bolt the brackets up to that. So slight change of plans. Takes a bit longer than what I had anticipated, but that's all right, we'll get it done. I'll show you how to put it on. Okay, so the concept here is that these slide in the tracks, like so. They'll sit there, you'll put the bracket on top, your washer, your spring washer, and then your nut, and that'll tighten and lock in place. These are pretty cool. I think 25 bucks from Super Cheap Auto for a set of four, so that should make life easier. All right, so they're on. I haven't tightened them yet, just put them into place. I'm going to put the other one on the other bar in a sec and we'll go from there. Okay, so both brackets are on. They're just finger tight. I haven't tightened them up just yet. I'll put the awning on first and then I'll tighten it all up at the end. Right, so I've unpacked the awning from its casing. At the end, there's these plastic end caps. So what you want to do is grab your bolts, slide two in that end and two in the other end. We'll put it up in position. We'll just got to get it right in terms of where it's going to sit, and then we'll tighten everything up. Okay, so the easiest way to measure this up is actually just work out where you want it on your racks. I want to be able to cover both my doors, and what I'll do is going to rest it up under the racks and roughly get the bolts into alignment, and then we'll be able to put it up. So here's what I'm going to do. That's roughly covering both my doors. I'll slide these bolts into position there. It's not 100%, but it's close enough. And then when I go to put it up, I'm roughly in line. Thanks. All right, so I've just put it in position. Handy trick, open your doors while you're doing it. I'll come around the back and just see. So all I've done is just put them in finger tight. I haven't tightened up yet. I will, now that it's in position, I can probably move it just a little bit backwards or forwards, see how we go, but I'll get it all positioned right and then I'll tighten it up. It's pretty simple, one-man process. You can run your L brackets the other way if you want. I only want to do that because I wanted to make sure that I had enough clearance under my doors. If I had done it the other way, yeah, it wouldn't have been enough clearance. So I'm happy with that. It sticks out a bit, but that's okay. We'll get used to it. All right, so I've tightened up both sets of bolts. Don't over tighten them, just keep them nice and firm. Spring washers on the crossbars should be fairly firm. These ones on the side, same thing. It ain't going anywhere. It's solid as a rock. So what I might do is now open it up and set it up, see how it goes. Okay, so I'm going to set up now. First time I've set it up. I've never set up an awning before. So this should be a challenge, see how easy or how hard it is to set it up. Let's go. Okay, so there it is, it's up. I haven't quite worked out the poles yet, and I haven't probably set it up properly, but as you can see, a couple of minutes, pretty simple. The thing for me, which I'll keep an eye on, is, yeah, look, it's a King's one, it was cheap. I'm not going to use it every day. It's not going to be on the car all the time, but as a bit of temporary, I suppose, relief from the sun, even set up around camp, it's pretty cool. I'll check the Velcros, make sure they're okay. I'll check the poles once I work out how to do them properly, and we should be right. But you know, up within a couple of minutes, and I'm pretty happy with it. I've got to peg it out, but hey, all good. I'll pack it down now and see how long that takes. Okay, done. Not a bad effort for even a short little bloke like me who's never done it before. I probably did it all wrong, but it was pretty simple to pack up. I'm sure I'll get better at it. I'll do a review in a few months' time after I've used it for a while. But as I said, I'm going to take this thing off the car and not leave it on all the time. It's a cheapie, I know that, but for what I'm going to use it for, I think it'll do the job. Anyway, I'll give you a review in about 6 months' time. Thanks all.